Welcome back to Lifestyle Nutrition with Brian Diamond, and today it's episode 4 of the
People's Choice.
Today I will be answering Arjun's question. Arjun asked me, what are your thoughts on working out on an empty stomach? I wake up and go to the gym after my coffee as I found that eating saps my motivation.
So,
There's a straightforward answer. First, I gotta say thank you so much for the question, Arjun. So without further ado, let's get on with it. This all boils down to personal preference. So if Arjun feels that eating saps his motivation, then he does not need to eat. And if you feel the same way, you don't need to eat before going for a workout in the morning as well. And technically, Arjun actually is not training or working out on an empty stomach because he said that
he has his coffee.
and whether it's black coffee or milk coffee, it's still filling up his stomach.
A little bit.
It does not matter. The only difference is the black coffee does not have calories and the milk coffee has calories. However, both of them actually fill up his stomach a little bit.
Does not matter.
But at the end of the day, if you want to eat, you go ahead. If you subscribe to this channel, what you can expect is weekly videos on nutrition, weight loss,
Tips and
tricks on how to attain sustainable weight loss and how to maintain that weight loss once you achieve your goal. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. If you feel the need to eat, go right ahead. If you feel
Sluggish.
or something like that, then don't do it. For example, if I eat carbohydrates alone,
I can do a great workout.
my workout will be great. I'll have lots of energy.
And carbohydrates are instant energy.
So if you don't know what carbs are, click this card and find out. Or I would also prefer protein and
Carbohydrates?
depending on the time I get. If I get time, if I have time to eat boiled eggs or something like that, I will eat that and go for my workout. So if you want to know what protein is, click this card and find out. So at the end of the day, it's personal preference. So it does not really matter as long as you eat something after your workout. You have to absolutely eat something post-workout because your energy stores will be depleted and you have to absolutely replenish that. So do get some carbs to replenish your energy and get some protein to help with muscle recovery and to help build that muscle as well. For coaching inquiries, you can call me on my cell phone, send me a text on WhatsApp, or you can also send me an email if that's what you prefer, and we'll take it ahead from there. And I'll also put these details down in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next one.